Now the topic before us is what to do if your computer system becomes infected. Infected means it has suffered from computer virus or some other malicious software. Now the first step is don't panic. Disconnect your computer from internet. It mostly happens that we are using internet on our computer. So if we are using the internet facility on our computer, and then you should immediately disconnect the internet from your computer. This will prevent malware from transmitting your data to the attacker, because what happens that this is your computer. Whenever there is a attack from some virus or other malicious software, this said malicious software or virus may send the confidential or personal information to the cyber criminal through the internet. When you disconnect it, the virus will not be able to send your confidential information or personal information to the hacker or cyber criminal. So what we should do? We should immediately disconnect our computer from internet. Now the next step is, it may be possible that we are having many computers which are interconnected with each other by way of LAN, and say 50 computers are interconnected. Now suppose you are realizing that there is symptom of some computer virus. You should immediately disconnect your computer from LAN so that the virus may not spread from your computer to other computer systems. Next point is scan for malware. If you are having antivirus software installed on your computer, then you should perform a scanning of your entire system. That is, you should run full scan of the system. It may be possible that you are not having the antivirus software on your computer. Then you can purchase genuine and branded computer virus software, anti-protection software, that is antivirus or anti-malware software, from a local computer store and install it as per the instructions mentioned on it. Please remember that we should purchase that antivirus or anti-malware software which provides us 24/7 real-time protection. It should have the facility of email scanning. It should provide us the facility of web protection. It should give the facility of behavior analysis, etc. And when we install the antivirus software on our computer, we should run full scan of the system as per the instructions given on the label of the packet, and it will give the results. Then it may be quite possible that suppose our computer system is having say 100 files stored in. We are taking only an example. It may be possible that we are having some external storage device for keeping some important files, backup of important files. We are having attached the same with it. Suppose we are feeling that our computer system has become infected with virus because it is giving some slow performance, or files are going deleted, or some files can go missing, or high CPU usage is being given. Such type of symptoms give us the feeling that our computer system is somewhat infected. Suppose we are having 100 files on our system and some 50 files are on our external storage device. and both these are connected by way of a cable. When we are experiencing that our computer system has been hit by a computer virus, we should immediately disconnect this external storage device, because it may be possible that our computer virus may delete all these files. If we keep on connecting this external hardware device, external storage device, it may be possible that all these files may also get infected and may be deleted. So to save these files, it is advisable that we should disconnect external storage device so that the infection does not spread to the external storage device, and we can protect our confidential or important files. Next point is seek professional help if needed. If you feel that you are unable to resolve the issue even after running the full scan of the system is not giving proper performance, and you suspect there that the problem is somewhat serious, or there is some serious infection to your computer system, you should consider contacting a professional computer security expert or your organization's IT department for assistance, so that they can take necessary steps to remove the computer virus from your system, or any other step which they deem fit as per the situation. Now, prevention is the key when it comes to computer infections. What it means? It is very important. Prevention. It means that even if we have taken all the necessary steps to prevent computer virus from hitting our computer system, it is quite possible that computer virus or some other malicious software may hit our computer system or network in spite of taking all the necessary steps, security steps. Why? Because the cyber criminals are always busy in developing new viruses and malicious softwares. The antivirus or anti-malware software have the capability to detect only known viruses, or they can combat with the known viruses or anti-malicious or malicious softwares. They cannot, the antivirus or anti-malware software cannot combat or cannot provide detection against latest viruses which are of latest origin, or which are also known as zero-day viruses which are of recent origin. So in order to combat with that zero-day viruses, we have to take precautionary measures, preventive measures. What are those? We should regularly back up our data, because if there is a computer virus or malicious attack on our system, some of the important files which are very important to us are protected, so that our personal work or business organization work runs smoothly. Next point is we should keep our software updated so that our computer system gets latest protection. Next is we can ensure prevention. We should be cautious of suspicious links and attachments. We should not even open each and every attachment which comes into our emails. We should not click on each and every link which comes in the email. We should use our mind before opening an email which has come from unknown source. We should be doubtful about the same, and we should use reputable security software. If we use unbranded or security software without knowing its features, it may be possible that it may not provide us the latest security benefits, and the ultimate purpose of installing the antivirus or anti-malware into our computer system will go in vain. So we should take all the precautionary measures. so that we can reduce the risk of future infections to our computer systems. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.